maraming salamat po. And with that, 2, 3, mabuhay! What's up, Canada? I'm Stacy. What's up, it's Rigo. What's up, it's Joanna. Joanna! Hi everyone, I'm Milan. Hi friends, I'm Milan. Hi guys, I'm Sheila. Hi everyone, I'm Gwen. What's up everyone? It's And we are Greenies! Tingin ako sa nakalilang energetic kasi.
Hey guys, so for today, you will not only be hearing Beanie songs, but you will also be hearing collab songs from us that are cover songs. Me and Stacy will be performing. Ayan, pero I hope that you guys can look forward to our collab songs because we really prepared for these. And we hope that you enjoy them. Sana namnamin nyo and sana kiligin kayo.
Namnaman.
Namnamin.
Pero maliban sa unit ni Nay, guys, alam niyo ba yung bago sa unit ng Beanie?
Ay, oo.
Mamen? Wala, di updated. Marami na tayo. Who is that? Papakilala kay ni Ate Jo.
Debut nyo
Okay,
to
guys.
Beanie.
Come on.
Ito na po, magpapaalam na kami sa Pini dahil bubuo kami ng grupo ni Staku.
Go, go, go. Anong name ng group?
Okay, let us introduce ourselves. 2, 3,
What's up? We are Mamen.
This is our latest song.
Mamen. 5, 6, 7, go. Mamen, Mamen. Oh yeah, Mamen, Mamen.
Grabe na, diba? Alam nyo, naisip lang namin yan after the concert kagabi. Imagine yung pagod, diba? Pagod na kami pero nag-choreo pa kami after nun.
Parang di sila masaya sa choreo
Kaya nga,
natin.
parang tingnan mo, pag to na buo.
Hindi kayo.
Hindi pwede mag-stay.
Abangan nyo, meron silang sinunod na docu. So, abangan nyo, check it